Guys, see the craziness here, guys. See my eyes. I haven't slept this day. 3 a.m. I woke up in the morning.
Watch this video and decide if this is your next bucket list. Guys, welcome back to our channel and a new episode of Kinnakorai. If you haven't watched the previous video, the card or the description has a link to it. Do watch it.
I came here listening, seeing some Kinnakorai videos and all. And see, the thing is, it's like so spooky. This is see that.
Let me tell you a few things I've recorded from the video. Adding to this experience is what should make you to Kinnakorai. I was in a mixed emotions doing my adventure to Kinnakorai.
Seriously, don't know what I'm doing here. I really don't know what is the whole agenda that coming here. That too inside the forest. Oh my god. I just came to drink a tea.
Kinnakorai is known for a place where the sun never rises. It's because the way that takes you is almost in the forest and always in the mist. The route that we choose to Kinnakorai makes it the most adventurous to any traveler out there. Kinnakorai is in Tamil Nadu, 50 kilometers from Ooty.
Nilgiri Hills welcomes you. Uttaramandalam municipality. Nice.
If you are one who want travel amongst the mist and the forest and the mist on your fingers, wiping each second off your helmet visors.
This is a fog sprinkle. Yes.
The cold mist, fresh air that touches you is in Kinnakorai. Kinnakorai is not famous for its city life. Drop your views of a Google Pay or Phone Pay and a sip of coffee addicts and don't be here without fuel. This is not just the place for it. And see to this video if it matches your vibe of adventure to nature. And do drop your feedbacks. Peace.
Ambience is nice, no? Super cool. This. I don't know where all these cars are going. Nilgiri Hills welcomes you. Uttaramandalam municipality. Nice. What's the time now? It's 1 o'clock. So I think let's pick up some room so that the crowd doesn't pick up the rooms. How much this guy is asking for the rooms? Best price ah? Best price ah?
Weekend I mean, 4 bed. 4 bed.
சின்ன ரூம் இல்லையா? ஓ அப்படியா? சரி ஆச்சு. ಬಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. This had good place to park. That's the only thing. The front lawn also was there. It was nice. But see, 2000 rupees. No problem. Thanks. Not settled in Ooty, so this point actually is called as Finger Post Ooty. So we were trying out all the options and rooms in nearby. Since it's a weekend, right? So so much of it's already almost all of those are already occupied. So this was only the option that is for 1500. It's a small room, but still, yeah, that's enough for us for this day anyway. So we're gonna get out tomorrow, right? So just for this night. So we are yet to go to Kinnakorai, but somebody has told us that there was too much of rain yesterday, and because of that Ooty was all sunk and all those things. They just told me. Now we are also not sure about it, but on the way, yeah, we saw that a lot of rains and other things are there. So yeah, see, the struggle is real. The struggle is real in Dominar. Man, this is not powering up again. This display. Oh, finally it did power up. No indicators, nothing. So bad. So this road down another 52 kilometers and 2 hours. So some lorries coming there again. Finally it's raining, and it was very nice that I bought this Taichi's jacket or else I would have soaked in rain today. It started drizzling, yeah. I did put back all my gears, the gloves, the leather gloves. So without any gloves now, so I don't have a avalanche. See the place. I think heavy rains have already hit here. Oh man, crazy. As people say, Kinnakorai is like deep inside the, yeah, so there are wild animals on the way is what the locals are saying. They already, two guys said me that to have a neat look and then come. This guy either he stops, it keeps coming. It started up. It seemed like Munnar and Coorg, nice. In between a village, nice. It's somewhat like the Kodai. That's nice. Man, crazy. Crazy. Guys, this is crazy, man. It's crazy. See the craziness here, guys. See my eyes. I haven't slept this day. 3 a.m. I woke up in the morning. See this, if is really the worth of it. See this. There's a small pond there, guys. What a view, man. What a crazy, man. I don't know what is happening, but it's raining since a long, and the GoPro is misbehaving a lot because it is stuck here and there with the glue, so it's misbehaving a lot. But I have no option other than left to record all this, and it's been raining since a while now, so it's like an hour that I'm in the rain. Crazy, man. See this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy. Guys, see the road, guys. What crazy. If something happens here, no way that you will be alive. It's way steeper than you see. See this. See, that is the roads there, and that's the way. That's steep. It's so steep that you're gone, buddy. You're gone. See this. Guys, this is a must visit place. Seriously, you tell me if I am bluffing or lying or something. This is a must visit place. This is a must visit place. This views, no, especially from the Taishola place and this 21 or 12 kilometers, this stretch is very, it's more beautiful than that what we saw. Yes, if you guys can feel this, what I am feeling, this is your next level. Nothing. വേറെ കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ലയോ? നിങ്ങൾ പോയിട്ട് വന്നതാ? ആ, it's all the hilltop, right?